Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a super duper quick video on what I put in my water bottle. My braids are out, so I have to go back to like my proper hair care routine. So these are some of the items that I put in my water bottle. Sometimes I alternate. So today because it's winter in the UK, so I have this glycerin. So this is pure vegetable glycerin, and this is really strong. It's not something that you put a whole bottle, you just need to put a little bit inside. And then my friend gave me this tip about glycerin and rosewater, because I was like, your hair's always shiny, your hair always looks good, like I can always see like some shine in it. And she said that she literally puts glycerin and rosewater in her water bottle, well, her water spray bottle. So I was like, girl, I am copying. And then in my past videos, I've mentioned that I like to use natural bottled water. And then of course I've got my spray bottle. And time to begin. So I'm going to start off with glycerin. So I'm literally just going to put a little bit inside. Yep. So let me just check that I'm happy with that. Then I'm going to put a bit of glycerin and rosewater. Let me just do this correctly, or let me just come correct. Okay. Let me just check that I'm happy with that. Let me see if I can add a little bit more. Let's see if I can add a little bit more. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. See, I've just put like a really little at the bottom, so I'm shaking it so you guys can kind of see the amount I've put. And then the amount of water that I'm going to put in this is going to be like maybe triple the amount of glycerin and rose water that I've put. So let me stop, let me see. Okay, it needs more. So I always aim for like half. So let me see. So I'm happy with that. I'm actually happy with that amount. So what I do, I tend to smell it, don't ask me why, but for some reason it just kind of helps me measure, like know how much I've measured in there. Let me see. Yeah, cool. So I think that's fine. So if like the glycerin is overpowering, like the glycerin and rosewater like smell is really overpowering, then I know that I've got too much in there, so I tend to dilute it more and more with water. So that's how I measure. All right, so of course I need to shake the bottle, mix that all shake. Guys, I bet you're wondering, why do you put glycerin and rosewater in your spray water bottle? Well, I put glycerin and rosewater in my spray water bottle because, again, those who are natural, a lot of us suffer from really dry hair. Like when I speak to my friends, some of them, they're like, my hair is so dry, it's really dry, blah blah blah. And I'm like, yeah, all our hair is dry. It's just how you maintain it. It's just how you manage it. And one trick that's quite good is to put some glycerin and rose water, and then I'm extra, I actually put the pure glycerin as well. So don't get me wrong, this is not for everybody, especially during summer. This may not necessarily work. It might be too much and too strong, and maybe you just want to use water. But anyway, let me stop talking. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and support a sister.